Big turnaround from Adobe. After widespread backlash from animators and creators, the company is canceling its earlier plan to shut down Adobe Animate. Instead of retiring the app outright, Adobe says Animate will now enter a maintenance mode, meaning it will continue to be supported and updated in basic ways rather than being discontinued. This is a significant shift. Adobe had previously announced plans to sunset Animate in 2026, citing a focus on newer tools and workflows. That announcement sparked strong pushback from the animation and web design communities, people who still rely on the app for everything from character animation to interactive content. In response, Adobe listened. The company says it heard feedback loud and clear. Many creators still depend on Animate as part of their production pipelines and don't see a clear alternative in its other tools. So what maintenance mode actually means? Adobe will keep the app available in Creative Cloud instead of removing it. Bug fixes, security patches, and compatibility updates will continue, but Adobe is not committing to major new features or big upgrades. Animate won't be the focus of aggressive innovation anymore. For longtime users, this is a win. Animate isn't disappearing, and basic support will keep it functional for the near term. And for newer creators who might have been hesitant to invest in a tool on its way out, this change restores confidence that Animate can still be part of their workflow. This is a good example of how user feedback can influence even big companies. Adobe Animate may no longer be the centerpiece of Adobe's animation strategy, but keeping it alive in maintenance mode gives creators breathing room to transition or continue using a tool they know well. It's not a full rescue, but it's a meaningful compromise between community needs and Adobe's product priorities.